Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making okra in microwave. First I cutted all okras in small pieces and wash before cutting, and put all okras in microwave safe container or borosil container. Now add oil in okras. Now added red chili, coriander powder, turmeric, salt, green chilies and onions. Add in all in okras and mix it well. After mixing okra, start microwave. Set convection mode 900 watt. Select and set time for 15 minutes. Now open the door. And start microwave. After 5 minutes, open the door and mix okra. And again start microwave. After again 5 minutes, mix okra again so that our okra evenly cooked. After 15 minutes, our okra is ready for eat. Serve with chapati, naan, puri. Thanks for watching.